Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2013 Ford B-Max. Now of course this is the 1.6 titanium and you do get your LED corner lights as your daytime runners. You then get front parking sensors. You get these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and condition that you do get with these alloys. Now of course, coming round to the rear, we've got your rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just under here. Then inside the tailgate we have plenty of room, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Now of course what makes this car unique is that you have no B-pillar, and the door, when it slides open, does allow for this amount of space to get in and out of the car. You've probably noticed that you do get the beige cloth interior with ISOFIX mounting points in the rear. Then of course, to pull the door forward and close, you simply pull the handle and it will lock into place. Then into the front we have your Powershift gearbox in the middle, air conditioning controls as well. Of course it is climate setting, they're just in there. You have two front heated seats. We have your radio controls in the middle, so you do get DAB, AM and FM. As you can see in there, you get CD player, auxiliary, Bluetooth hands-free. Then coming over to the steering wheel now, we have your audio settings with Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant on the left. Your cruise control is on the right. As you can see, this B-Max has done 41,358 miles, but jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Ford B-Max, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.